Anyways, alright, we're back on the road here and just checking everything out. We are in Asheville, Ohio. Super perfect anyways. We're gonna keep up with some trains anyways. It looks like we might have CSX, you never know. I think everybody tonight's been kind of hoping to wait and see. Alright. Alrighty guys, we're coming into Asheville and we're gonna stop down here for a little bit and check these trains anyways. We'll see what happens. Alright. We made to Asheville. We might have a CSX train coming, you never know. You never know. So, anyways. Alright. We on 316. Hold on, I gotta make sure. Alright. There might be two railroad crossings, I just can't tell. So, we might have a train coming, you never know. Alright. All red on the point, coming towards west. We got like an eastbound. There we go. See if it's, hold on. Let's see if it's CSX. Down here, I think it is. Alright. I think it is, but I could be wrong. We might catch another train, you never know. Alright. We'll take 316 most of that. We'll see if we have to catch it on the way down. There we go. We'll catch up there in here in a little bit. Alright. Yeah, I think we're going to catch that DPU. Alrighty then. I can't even tell if it's going to be... It's like part of town, but you just... I mean, you never know. right. Let's see if it's going to be this crossing over here, and I think it is. Yep. We got a crossing over here, so let's check it out down here. I'm surprised. We haven't gotten anything yet. Alright. We're gonna shift down here a little bit in Asheville, Ohio. Yeah, I think it'll be coming pretty fast, so. Oh yeah. So. Sleepy town of Asheville. We'll check. He's about maybe 4 miles. I could be wrong. Okay. There we go. All right. He's gonna be making. Where's that coal train gonna be coming? I haven't really seen it yet. Alright. Something smells burning. Smells like something's burning anyways. He'll probably book through here. He'll probably be booking through here anyways. Oh, it's NS, it's not CSX. Darn it. Darn it, I missed my spot. See if we can find anything. Hold on.